Hi friends, in this tutorial we will see how to change the resolution of the screen and how to change the orientation of the screen, how to flip it if you want. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is that you have to right click on the desktop and then click on display settings. Once you do that, after this, uh, sorry, so this in here orientation, from this drop down list you can select your orientation. So what I can do is that let me go back. So what I can do in here is that I can have it as a portrait. By default it is landscape, so you can see it in here that it is landscape. And if I select this portrait, now if I apply it, now you can see that the screen orientation, it gets changed. Now it's in the portrait, the way tablets are. So this is how you can change it. So it will be like for another 5 more seconds, and then 3 2 1, and it will get changed. If you want to save the changes, you can click on keep the changes. So let me do this again. So let's say this time I want to flip it. The landscape, it's landscape, I want to flip it. So let's apply it. Now you can see that it flips the screen. So if I want to keep it, all I have to do is that I have to click on okay, my mouse hears it. So I have to click on this keep the changes. If I do it, then it will be okay. Otherwise, once the countdown is over, which it isn't right now, we will get our normal display. So this is how you can change the orientation of your screen. So if you want it to be in a landscape format, or you want it to be in a portrait format like it is in tablets, that's how you can change it. After that, what you can do is that you can click on advanced display settings. Once you do on that, click on that, in here you can see that it says resolution, and under the resolution there is this drop down list. So this shows the different resolutions that you can apply. So for this one, let's select this 8600. So if you apply it, now you can see that the size changes. It's now 800 by 600, or that is what I think it was. So let me revert it. Now you can see that it is back to normal size, 1024 by 768. So if you want to change it, these are the different resolutions that you can select from the drop down list. So from here you can change your resolution. All you have to do is click on advanced display settings. From here you can change the landscape. And this is it for this tutorial. In my previous tutorials I've covered other things like background, color, lock screen, themes, start menu, and then start and then taskbar. So I've created like 6 other tutorials for all of these individually. If you're interested in knowing them, you can watch those as well in my channel. So this is it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, recommendations, feel free to put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.